Good morning, everyone. I had placed a pre-order. They finally came in. I really had no Halloween paper at all. Just a few kind of odd ones that I had purchased at Hobby Lobby. Or actually, I think it was from paper pads from years ago. And so anyhow, I bought a Halloween kit, and I bought this Simply Vintage October 31st Simple Stories paper. And so I'm going to show you that. I just thought it was so cute. I like the little vintage people and cats, and so that's really what got me. And then it's like this on the other side, just the orange with the white or black dots. Yeah. And then, oh, and what's it called? This one is called Little Goblins. They look pretty benign to me. And this one's called Boo to You. It's got the stars. And then it's got like dictionary definitions back here. October, Halloween, pumpkin. And then this one that's black with white kind of looks like it's white on chalk, or chalk on blackboard. Oh, what a day. I can speak. This one's called Pumpkin Fest. It's got stars here on this side. And this one looks like a billboard for a haunted house that somebody started to tear off paper. And this one's called In the Moonlight. And then it's got a bunch of little witches doing different things. Oh, it looks like her broom is in control. And this one's called In the Moonlight. I think I already said that. And this is orange and black plaid. I think I actually have something similar to this from Hobby Lobby that I stuck in my fall. This one looks more distressed though. And this one's called All Hallows Eve. And then it's got, it looks like almost like a newspaper comic, you know, torn out of there, or like an old vintage book. And it says Peter Peter Pumpkin Eater. Oh, it is like from an old vintage book. And I already told you the name of that. I really, really like that. I like that vintage look. And this has got the little witch. It looks like she's a ballerina witch. Kids dressed like little ghosts with pumpkin heads, and then there's pumpkins and owls sitting here. And this one's called Happy Haunting. And then an orange and black stripe, which is just perfect, but I'll probably want to use this. I really like these kind of things. I love the twin cats. And then it's got the little vintage witch again on top of this orange gingham. And then a black and white polka dot. And this was Costume Parade. Did I tell you the name of the last one? I don't know. Happy Haunting, yes I did. And I really, really like this. And then this one's called Simply Wicked. And then it's got orange, and it looks like the bats are cut out, so you're looking through it to maybe I don't know, it's black with white writing, but maybe like a definition, like a dictionary definition again. And here's the black and white gingham. And this one's called Journaling Elements, of course. Oh, this is cute. And these are cute. So I always like it that they're just a different size for a change. And this one here almost looks like a newspaper that has cobwebs on it or something, because it's just that vintage grayish white. And here's the cut aparts, and those are really cute. What's on the other side of that? Oh, that's really pretty too, but I might want to use these. And here's the 4x4s. Those are cute. And there's the stripe on the back. And of course these are called 4x4s. Those are called 3x4s, the ones I didn't tell you. And these are, of course, are 4x6s. And oh, it says creepin' it real. Okay, I kept trying to pronounce it. I was like, what is that? It's the season to be spooky. I really like this little decoration. That's fun. Okay. So that's really cute. And like the thing from a kid's book. And spiders. I definitely prefer this. And oh, and here's the sticker sheet. And it's got those really cute stickers that I like. And oh, it's got one of those great big ones. That will be fun to use. And a small one. So I don't know. Do they normally do that? I'm not sure. Here's the regular little swatches. Happy Halloween, wickedly good, boo to you. So it's got all the little words on it. Really cute little stickers. And I don't usually buy the little bits and pieces, but unless I bought them like from Peachy Chief and it came with the kit. But I did buy them this time just because I really liked all these and because of my lack of Halloween stuff. So I put them all out on this, and the last time I tried to lay them out was such a mess, so this time I actually kind of did it like they did it. Well, pretty much like they did it. But I still had a hard time getting them all on the paper. But those are so cute. I love the little girls because most of my Halloweeners, most of my grandchildren are girls, but now I do have 2 boys in the family, so I'll have those to scrapbook too. And then I also purchased the foam things. I have to say that I'm in love with them, and I'll probably, every time I buy something, I'll probably get the foam stickers because I just love these. And I just love all these cute images. So it wasn't a stretch for me to get them. Love them. And so I bought so much lately, I'm going to have to go on a spending freeze. Okay, and I also bought well, I don't know if they still call them brads, but they're actually just epoxy and maybe probably plastic or metal, I'm not sure. Stickers now, but I'm just in love with the brads, and they just kind of give you another element to use, so I really like that. Okay, my sticker has a long black hair on it, and there's nobody here with long black hair. Everybody here has gray hair. Okay, and then I also bought the Vintage Christmas Lodge, and here's the sticker sheet. And so this one does not have the little I want to say bunting now because what do they call them? The banners. We call them banters. Not banters, banners. I don't know what I did with my mouth today, but it sure can't speak well. So I bought this again because, you know, I like that vintage look. And again, I was needing some Christmas. I do have Mint-A Christmas, but I don't have too much of any other Christmases. So I had to do something so I'd kind of have a little different look. And so here's the 4x6s, and they're gorgeous. Love the vintage Santa. And on this side, it is a red floral. Let's see, where am I going to put this? I guess up here. So, well, it's actually pines and pine cones. Okay, and this one is the 4x4 elements. Isn't this funny how everything's in a different order from the last one? And I always like these, and then sometimes I do a big page and kind of mimic this. So I like that look. This is really cute. I really like how crisp the colors are. And here's the other side. And here's the 3x4s, and again with the vintage Santa. I think it's funny that they kind of have nowadays Santa and then a vintage Santa. But I decided I'd buy it anyway because I love the vintage Santa. It's like they could have gave me all those. So those are really cute. And then the stripe on the back, the vertical stripe, which, you know, it's like I love to do it because I love these because I like to use them as a back, or, you know, like a framing, because I love how that looks. Okay, and here's those journaling elements that are all different. And they're very pretty. Ah, this is my favorite here. I just love a red and white plaid buffalo check or whatever they call that. And here's a black and white reindeer in the forest. And here's Holiday Traditions, this is called. And this looks like it's from a storybook or like a newspaper advertising to come buy all your Christmas stuff. And there's the big red and black buffalo check. And I've collected so much of that, like every time I went to the store at Hobby Lobby, and I would buy that. Any of these, because I love those. Except for at Hobby Lobby, you know, they're kind of thin. This one's called Boughs of Holly. And that's really pretty with those red and white flowers. And then there's kind of, it's almost like they ran a little newsprint through it. I don't know if that's on purpose or it was an accident. But it's only on these. Nope, it's right here too. I'm thinking that was a look. Okay. And this one's called Good Cheer. And that's now this is a plaid I have not seen. It's very transparent. So you kind of see all the colors layered on top of the others. So that's kind of neat. And this is holly on the back. And this is called Good Cheer. Did I say that? And this is Winter Wonderland. Is that the same one? It is, just smaller. Okay, and that has that little bit of print running through it too. So I'm thinking it must be on purpose. Oh yeah, they kind of run it up here too. Because of what's on the back. Okay. That's really pretty. And it says joy. And this one is 'Tis the Season. And that's got like music notes on it. And those big flowers and the berries. And then just a plain red and white. Like a little, it's almost like a little poinsettia flower, but stylized. And this one here is Jolly St. Nick. And that's more up-to-date Nick. Santa Claus. I like the wood. And black and white. The black background, so it kind of looks like a chalkboard again. I thought about just buying a few pieces of these, and then I just thought, it ended up when I was just picking out papers, it's like, it'd cost me as much to buy them individually, and then the sticker sheet. So here you have the cardinals, and another green and white gingham. That's Peace on Earth. Like that. Oh, I love this. I was just thinking how I wanted one of these where it's the wood with writing on it. And they could have left this off for me and just left all the writing on there. So I'll have to see what I can do with that, because I was really thinking about the wood with the white writing on it. I like that. And on this side it's pine cones and berries. Probably cranberries. And, oh, It's because I had it upside down. That's why it looked different than the other one. I thought, that's so weird that it looks so different. Okay, and then I, again, got the foam stickers. And I really like that. They have the wood look, which I almost just thought about buying just this, but then it's like my lack of Christmas ones and stuff that I thought I'm just gonna get this, get the Halloween one, and then I was gonna, you know, be more careful, and then it's like and I've already bought something since. Thanks, it's Janet's fault though. I bought the wood paper she showed today. Okay, and then I got the brads again. I want to call them faux brads. So I like that. Oh, this is really cute because it really looks like photorealistic because it's a pine tree against the wood. So it's really cute. And I love these. I'd like to just make little ones like this because I kind of like that size. So I might have to work on that one of these days. Okay, so that's what I got today, and so I will actually be using actually I got a Christmas one I want to do, but I probably won't be using this paper, but I have Halloween photos I want to do, so I'm probably going to be doing those shortly, maybe even sometime this week. But so that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.